Friends, again I am here. In the previous slide, in the previous presentation, I talked about what is Python's and what are its popularities and strengths. Now, in this session, I am going to teach you the Python tokens. My video is especially for the students of standard 12 and 11. Keeping this point in mind, I am trying to focus on the main points of the Python programming languages. What are Python tokens? Python tokens are the smallest individual unit in a program that is known as token. It is also known as lexical unit. Lexical means the smallest individual unit in a program. Basically, tokens are the basic building blocks of a Python programming languages, and like we are using small letters A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.6, 9.9. These are all Python tokens, and all of these are considered as instruction in Python programming languages. There are 5 different types of Python tokens. These are, the first one is keywords, the second one is identifiers, the third one is literals, the fourth one is operators, and the fifth one is punctuators. Let us consider, or I am going to teach each Python tokens slide by slide. Just move to this next slide. Now, keywords. Friends, keywords are the special or predefined words which are reserved by Python programming languages. Keywords are basically used in all programming languages like C, C++, Java programming languages. As all of you knowing about that, it is especially used as a reserved words in Python programming languages. And these reserved words, keywords, are never be used as an identifier in Python programming language. Friends, there are 33 reserved keywords in Python. Some of the examples of keywords are for, till, in, or, while, with, and many more. Many more keywords are available in Python programming languages. Keywords basically used as a reserved words. I am again telling you the point that it never be used as an identifier or variable. Keep this point in your mind. Now, identifiers. Identifiers are the names given to different part of the programs. Part of the programs means that when we are writing a program, we are writing several instructions, and instructions involves the different identifiers, and these identifiers involves variables, objects, classes, lists, and dictionaries. And the next, for example, we can say my file in capital letter, my file in small, and combination of small and capital letters, underscore chk, sum, max, odd, file, file 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the valid identifier names in Python programming language. Before writing or setting any variables or suggesting any variable names of Python identifier names, there are some rules. There are 3 rules while we are choosing an identifier in Python. In Python, variable names must only be a non-keyword. Means जो भी whatever the name of Python, it must be a non-keyword. मतलब कि वो keyword नहीं हो सकता है. कोई भी Python का variable का name keywords नहीं हो सकता है. With no special spaces in between. The second one, the variable name must be made of only letters, numbers and underscore. And whatever the names of the variables must be letters, numbers and underscore. Combination of all these. The third one, variable names cannot begin with a number. This is one of the important point or naming assumptions in Python identifier, that names cannot be start with a number. We always start with a letter or underscore. For example, I am giving some invalid identifier names, that data hyphen is a special symbol. We cannot treat it as a valid identifier name. We cannot start a variable name with number, like here 2, 3, 4 ABC is invalid identifier names. Break is a result keyword, so we cannot consider it as a variable name. My dot file, I am using dot in between my and file, it is also an invalid identifier. We cannot use dot in between the Python variable names. Next. Okay. Now the third token in Python is Python literals or values. Literals, what is literals? The literals are the data items that are fixed or constant values. That values which always be a constant. That may be a string values, that may be a integer values, that may be a boolean values. All these values that always be a constant or fixed in nature. There are four types of literals in Pythons. There are string literals, numeric literals, boolean literals, and the one that is very important, that always be fruitful in CBSE board exam, that is a special literal, none, that contain nothing in the absence of values. String literals mean sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. That quotes may be a single or double or triple quotes. Means any character sequence which are enclosed with single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes are considered as string literals. String literals are further divided into single line strings and multi-line strings. Single line strings are the strings that are terminated on a single line, that is Narayan Kumar. It is a string because we are using a double quotes in between the text. Similarly, another multi-line strings text is equal to hello, and then we are using slash option. That means we are terminating the line and continue with the new line. We can also write multi-line string in that way by using a slash, or we can also use triple quotes in between the string for giving multi-line strings. Thank you, friends. Numeric literals. Numeric word derived from the word number. That means numeric values. Numeric values can be a decimal form, SSCN, string, octal form, hexadecimal form. Decimal form for 1, 2, 3, 4, octal form and integer beginning with 0, O. For example, you can see on the screen hexadecimal form and integer beginning with 0x, for example 0x73 or x. These are the example of hexadecimal form. In the next class we can explain these three types of numeric literals in details. One of the most important literals in numeric type is floating point literals that represent real numbers and are written with a decimal point. Decimal point like 13.0, 7.75. These are the examples of floating point literals. We can use these literals in Python programming languages very frequently. Now the complex literals are literals which are in the form of A plus IB forms. And the fourth one is Boolean literal that represent two values, either true or false. But the scientist Boole defines the two Boolean values that are always maybe or true or false. So that represent Boolean variables. The last one is non-literal, used to indicate absence of values. Absence of values means suppose any identifier you want to use to to store nothing in that variable. So in that case you have to define that variable as a non-literal. Means nothing you can store. Suppose a variable is a and you want to store nothing in that case we are using non-literals. The fourth operators are one of the also the important tokens in Python, that is a special symbol applied on the operands. These are the special symbol applied on the operands, and symbols may be a plus, minus, into, divides, remainder options. Suppose we are writing a plus b, there where a and b are operands. Here a and b are considered as an operands, and plus is an operator between them. So operators can also be divided into different parts like arithmetic operators, logical operators, assignment operators. In the next class we can explain the different types of operators. The last token is punctuators that we see on the screen. All the special symbols like curly braces, square brackets, parenthesis, as, @ colon, equal to. These are the punctuators that are used in Python programming language. If you have any suggestion or any doubt, you can write it in the comment box and be ready for the next video. And thank you once again. Stay home and be safe. Thank you very much.